Today, our company has introduced 3 new lithium electric saws, and we plan to bring them with us for a one-time performance test. First is the first model yellow. It has a relatively novel and good-looking appearance. The most important thing is that this chainsaw is also very affordable and has a high-cost performance. That it has a brushless motor, which cuts smoothly and has good performance. But it is a little noisy. If you want to buy an 8-inch battery chainsaw, I recommend this one as your first choice. Then look at the second 8-inch model. If you don't take care about the price, you can buy this one. Apart from the higher price, I can't think of any shortcomings. The high-power brushless motor allows you to cut more during use. It is more efficient, and the matching guide bar and chain are made with the most advanced technology and has a longer service life. The third model is the 12-inch electric chainsaw. The enlarged guide bar and chain make it easy to cut wood with a diameter of 12 centimeters. It can be used with a larger capacity battery to maximize its advantages. And this chainsaw has the power display system, allows you to notice the power in time when working outdoors and charge it in time without delay in your work. If you want to prune large branches but want to avoid the fatigue caused by the heavy weight of a gasoline chainsaw, you may consider buying this model.